Hey there, strangers. Sorry I've been gone so long. Man, I took a job. My normal work is pipeline, doing pipeline coatings inspection. And anyway, I took a little short job in West Texas. And yeah, I took a bunch of raw footage with me to make the attempt to go ahead and create some videos for you guys, and that way I can at least get some stuff keep coming out. I've got probably gathering them up, running them through the chutes, giving them vaccines, branding them, castrating, all kinds of stuff. Going right in and try to get about 8 of them out of there. Send them down here to the barn. Just don't let her stick the wheel. She won't. I'm gonna. Okay, let's go. Got a bunch of work on the dozer that we did. There's more. Anyway, I'm going to start trying to work on that. I couldn't do it with my little MacBook Air laptop. Just my limited editing skills, and then using a small laptop was really, really problematic for me. But anyway, main deal in this video, I think we're going to go ahead and put the old plasma table up for sale, and I want to build another one. So I've been talking to Proma, and they're willing to sponsor the video, and do send me a main board and a torch height controller. I really want to do something along the lines of a 4x8, 4.5 foot by maybe 8.5 foot. I want to be able to hold a full sheet of plate steel on it. I want to take some of the things that I learned from building this one and try to correct those issues in the new one. While this one still works great, it could be better, I guess you would say. So, one, if anybody's interested in this table, I'm in the College Station, Texas area. I'm probably, I think probably around $3,500 without the computer and without the plasma cutter. I may be a little bit, I really don't know. I don't. I know I've got roughly $2,000 in materials and parts without the plasma cutter and without the computer, and then of course the time to build it. The new one, on the other hand, if there's anything you would like to see as far as design and functions we incorporate into it, man, if you'll leave them down in the comments, then I will try to work it in there and into the build. This one, I want to video 100% of it. I am going to make the parts list as well as what limited drawings I can do available with measurements, lengths, all that kind of stuff. It is going to be welded. I do plan to use all steel. I do not plan to use any aluminum in the new one. I was going to do a rack and pinion system instead of the belt drive, but after pricing the racks, it just about prices it out of the market. I mean, I'd be talking somewhere in the realm of probably $800 just in rack and pinion gears, and there's no need for it. It doesn't have to have it. The new one's going to be all belt drive, except the Z-axis. The Z-axis will be on a lead screw. But anyway, so those are kind of my thoughts, and that's what's going to be coming up. Sometime this week, I'll be making a run to the steel supply house and buying a bunch of materials. I'm going to try to do a rough drawing and kind of get some dimensions and figures drawn up, get an idea of what materials I need. And then we'll get started on it. I'm probably going to break this up over somewhere between 4 and 6 videos to try not to bore you guys to death. So we'll start with the main table base and then work our way on from there. And so basically we're going to start to finish build a plasma table, and the intention is something that you guys can follow along literally step by step and build your own table. The intention is to have every measurement recorded. Every piece and part that I ordered is going to be recorded. I am going to do my best not to use any materials that I already have. So basically everything will be either ordered in or bought from a local supplier, but I'm not going to use any material that I have laying around here. We're going to do it all fresh from scratch, from start, and something, like I said, you guys can follow along on. So if it sounds interesting, stay tuned. We'll get started on it hopefully here. I hope next weekend I have first video out on it. I hope. That's the plan. Now, I've been gone for 3 months, so there's a whole lot of stuff around here that has to be done that I'm going to have to try to work in the middle. My truck definitely needs some love, so there's going to be some work being done on it. And other than that, I guess stay tuned and we'll see what the future holds. But looking for a new plasma table build. And again, if anybody's interested in this one, I'm in the College Station, Texas area, and I want to say our zip code is 77845, I believe. Drop me a comment, send me an email. Either way, we'll work something out if you'd like to buy it. I guess in the meantime, we'll see you on the next one.